Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So the approach to number 0. So we just put number 0 in here. E to the power of number 0. We have number 1. So we have negative number 3. The next one, I will put number 4 in here, on numerator and denominator. So we have the formula in here. So when t approach to number 0, sine of 80 over 80 equals to number 1. And so sine of 40 over 40 equals to number 1. So number 4 multiplied by number 1, we have number 4. Now we put number 0 on here, and we have negative number 4 to the power of 2. We have positive number 16. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.